Guys, welcome to another video, but this isn't a randomness video. Okay, I made a couple new friends. I have no clue where they went. No, I don't. Oh wait, I do know. To her den. Going to her den. No, I don't do buddies, sorry. I have to be a little bit quiet because my sister is asleep and I do not want to wake her. Well, off we go again. Gosh, people, quit treating me, it's rude. Oh, and I am not wearing my actual outfit, which is, where is it? I keep on losing everything. I'm getting tired of this. This is my outfit. Or it's either a black sword. I just got lazy. Some people actually, there's this one person who sent me a jamagram asking if I liked her. Let's see where. Oh gosh, so many people. Nope. I seriously need to delete some of these. Okay, I give up. She just asked me if I liked her, and I'm like, no. Definitely not. Why is everyone so better? I'm trying to. That one seems darker than mine. Where is it? I'm covered. Nope, it's the same. Oh, guys, I actually got all the warns, other than the purple one. And I will never get the blue one. I hate that one. And I don't know if I'm going to be talking too much because I recently woke up and I'm really tired. And my throat hurts. And I'm just doing this for the fun because I haven't done a video in a while. So, sorry if I'm not talking too much. But they have a new Freedom Party thing, and I'm going to show you what they have. They have a fox hat, a raccoon hat, a dragon mask, an astronaut helmet, a jester hat, a panda hat. I'm not going to keep on saying freedom. Cat hat, bunny hat, lion hat, monkey hat, chicken hat. I suppose that's a turkey. Some people don't believe that. Okay. They have a bunch of fireworks. More like 6 fireworks. And that's it. I have 2 freedom fox hats too. Yeah, I could have 5 if I wanted to. Dad ain't gonna stop me. I'm gonna go visit him. I can be bored, can't I? Can't I? So I'm going to guess this is just doing random things in Animal Jam. Why am I still wearing this outfit? Oh, yeah. Too lazy to actually change it for too long. Okay, come on, say hi, 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 say hi. Marcus Sunshine is not on right now. Neither is Smart. But, why not? Still trying to become a Julian 2 as well. Yeah, so I told you guys I finished my entire collection, other than a purple one. That's the last one I need. But I'm glad I got my top hat back. Some person decided to do an over trade. I mean, for this worn, she said top hat. Somehow I got my top hat back. A rare mech wings. A worn blanket and a rare bow. It's like, seriously, that is my stuff. I could have just done it was this worn blanket for this worn blanket because I had an extra one. I'm planning on trying to figure out how to do a music video. It's probably going to be a little hard for me because it's going to be my first music video and I don't know what music video I want to do. So please comment what music video I should do. But don't forget that I have a limited amount of what I want to do because I don't know very many songs that are in rap or in oh yeah, hip hop. And I'm probably going to be doing a video on how to become Julian 2 famous, or at least how to become famous. So wait for that video. Probably going to be doing it next, or not, or I'll be doing the music video. Okay. So apparently we're just going to be randomly trading each other. Not sure how trading video works. Alright, now I know what that. I just like doing the trades like that. Yeah, I got it. Keep on trading him like that. How long? I wonder how long this is gonna go. Because I only have a limited amount of stuff. Put that on. Trading me? Nope, I have one. Keep on messing up on typing. And I'm up to 8 minutes of doing random things, and I'm pretty sure I don't want to make this a random video. Let me put that back on trade. Gosh. Okay. Continuing on. Oh, please change yours. Wait, what was I trading? Oh, yeah, Phantom. Phantom. Where's my Phantom? There you are. This is. I seriously wonder how long this is gonna go on because I don't have any of this stuff. Or do I? Let's see. Do a Spider-Man thing. What should I do? Don't know. Gave up. Oh, I have that. I can do that. Because I'm that cool. Nope, I don't like freedom stuff. I just realized that my hat looks like guacamole. I really want a red hat, top hat. That would match better. I have no clue what we're doing. Yay! I can trade him back. Funny how many things you have with a person. Like, I don't like him, but nah, I'm out of here. Adios, person. I don't know why people. Hey, it's my friend Guacamole. I don't even know the person, but he has guacamole. Ew, my cat just ate a bug. Gross. Okay. I am not going to push it. I don't know, wonder what video I'm on for randomness. I better go check that out when I have a chance. Oh, I just realized I probably have a yellow circle around my mouse. And every time I click, I get a blue, like a blue wave thing. I don't know if they're rare. These are freedom box hats. Oh, I should do a trading video. See how many people trade me. Oops. Well, that was a dud. Oh, I learned something. Watch this. I could go back. You know how many I can go back? Wow, all the way to you and my cat today. The bug gross. Interesting. And I went back down. This is awesome. But I can actually go back. Send me Betty can get one. Send me good Betty. Oh, so you're a scammer. Glad to know. Scammer. See how many good Bettas I have. I'm not really gonna send it. I just want to see. I have that. Gosh. What should I do? Should I listen to my conscience or not? Sorry, I know what will happen. Want to be mine? What? 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 Seriously? Um. I don't know what to do. Might as well be a snow leopard. That's about all he has. Snow leopard. Snow. Oh wow, matching colors. Oh great. This sucks. Your spike got scammed. Not too bad. Not the only one either. I should feel bad for that. But technically, people who get their stuff scammed it's technically their own fault. Yeah, it's gotta be nice. I think you will be surprised. Should I run? I wanna run. Yeah, I'm probably gonna end the video here. So, and yeah, I'm gonna do a trading video next. Bye guys!